let me go through this real quick. This is upstroke, downstroke, overturn, underturn, oval, ascending loop, descending loop, and compound curve. So there are three basic strokes that has variations. So you can guess. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is calligraphy course day 6. In the last two videos, we practiced 8 basic strokes. We are done with basic strokes, but to make letters in calligraphy, we need to make some variations in these basic strokes. In today's video, we are going to learn those variations. So let's begin. Okay friends, so here are the basic strokes. As you can see that I have mentioned the guidelines. This is the waistline, this is X side, and this is baseline. Here I have mentioned the basic strokes, and here I will mention the variations in the basic strokes. So there are 3 basic strokes that has variations. So downstroke, oval, and descending loop. Let's start with the downstroke. So I'm gonna use this color for the variations in downstroke. So there are 3 variations in downstroke. As you can see, the downstroke start with this corner from top, and then we move to the bottom, and this is how we make downstroke. But if you start with left top corner, and go down to the bottom right and make it thick, it will be reverse downstroke. So this is one variation in this stroke. Okay, the next one is like a comma. So this is not made on X side, it is made slightly above the top line of the X side. So it begins with right here. So you go just like this. This is like a comma, but because we are moving downward, so this is the variation in downstroke. So it should be thick like this, and it starts slightly above the X side. The third variation in the downstroke is slightly curve. You start from here like this and make it thick. So this is the third variation in downstroke. So it's a curved downstroke, this is a comma, and this is reverse downstroke. Next one is oval. So I'm going to use this color to show you the variations in oval. So I hope that you remember that oval starts from here and we move up and then down and then up again. So the variation in oval is a shape that starts with left side. This I have made this oval straight. Now I'm gonna make it at a slanted angle. Like this. Make this side thick because we move downwards here. So this is called reverse oval. So this is the basic stroke oval, and the variation in the oval is the reverse oval. So you don't start with the right side, rather you start with the left. Okay, the last one is descending loop. So I'm gonna use this color for descending loop variation. So as you know that the descending loop starts from the X side, and it goes down left, and then we make a loop. But the variation is the reverse descending loop. So we do not start from right side, we start from left side and go down, and then we make a loop facing right, like this. And we make this part thick. So this is the reverse descending loop. So you need to practice the basic strokes, and along with the basic strokes, the variation in these 3 basic strokes in oval, descending loop, and downstroke. So in addition to practice 8 basic strokes, now you need to practice these variations as well. We are done with the basic strokes and the variations, but this is still day 6. So what are we gonna do on day 7? Find out in next video. Until then, take care and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon.